What's up, my LS Crazy Amigos? It's your boy Terry, speaking from the garage shop once again. Yeah, here to offer you some more big bang for the buck product and info. I'm charged. I'm excited. All right. Now you're saying to yourself, Terry, why are you in the rear of your car? What are you doing? You're doing something. I know you got the Trailblazer project going. So what's the dealio today? Okay. What's going to happen is I'm redoing my brakes. I got to do my brakes over because it's time. And what I noticed was last week when I went to go get the bigger wheels put on, because there's a bigger meat back there. It's a 10-inch, 20 by 10-inch rim, which gives me a little bit, a better look, a better aggressive stance. I noticed that they broke one of the wheel studs at the tire place, which is cool, But it's time to replace it because I don't want to ride around with just 5 when I should have 6. So I'm going to replace this wheel stud, and this is how I'm going to go about doing it. First thing you got to do is remove the caliper. I loosened up the bolts already. Maybe I didn't. Okay. Get this out of the way. You should zip tie it, whatever you want to do to get it out the way, because you don't want to put stress on the brake line there. I'm going to just put it just like that. All right. Then you have to remove, again, I loosened it, the caliper bracket. Like so. All right. So I'm going to be replacing the brakes, so I'm going to take this out. All right. Now you got to take the rotor off. All right. And then this will expose you to all of the wheel studs. Let's see. This one right here, no bueno. It's got to go. So what I'm going to do is I got my BFH, and that stands for Big Fun Hammer. And before I whack it, I'm going to put a little WD-40 to soak through. And then it's swing time. Yep. And there you go. It's out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Trailblazer SS wheel stud repair kit, pat pending, and go into get an old wheel stud. Basically, I keep the wheel studs when I replace the hubs in the front. Perfectly good hubs with perfectly good wheel studs, because I didn't feel like going and trying to measure out and everything like that. So here it is, cheap fix. And a bolt, an old bolt, where the casing off the Trailblazer SS came off, so it goes all the way through. See? And that's exactly what I'm going to need to drive this stud on home. So I put the stud, I got to do like this. Let's get it in there. There it goes. In position. All right. Put the screw on. All right. Let's throw just a little bit more WD-40. See, I like WD-40 because in time, it will evaporate. Downside is make sure you have a deep socket. So, there we go. And that's it. This one. Stud is in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now coming stock out the box, the GM wheel nuts, they have a casing over them. And that's how I got this, because the casing got all frayed off and it got to the point where it just fell off. So I'm not putting these nuts back on. What I did was I opted for a set of Gorilla, because they're the same exact nuts in size and everything, but it's just a big one piece. It's not like a 2-piece nut like how they have in, like coming out of stock with this car, with this truck. So these are gonna fit nice, and I'm gonna put them back on. So that's all there is to replacing a stud. It's pretty, and this will work on pretty much any vehicle. But for now, I got to go and finish putting these brakes on and do more videos for you guys, because I really enjoy them. And I want to give you guys a big shout out. Thank you very much for viewing, sharing, caring, because it's all about the love. It's all about sharing the knowledge. It really is. So until the next time, because I'm looking at I can't see the clock because it's on the side of the garage. But I would imagine looking at the clock on the wall. I'm imagining it, all right? Or should I say ceiling? Because I'm sure that time is up on that ceiling. I'm going to sign off so I can finish doing this work. And like I said, put more videos out for you guys because it's what I do. All right? So until the next time we see each other, please, as always, be easy. And I'll catch you guys real soon. Take care.